Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to straighten an image in Photoshop. There are two ways of straightening an image in Photoshop. One is to use the crop tool and the other one is to use the straighten tool. And in this tutorial we're going to use the both ways to straighten our image. We're going to start with the ruler tool, then later we're going to use the crop tool. So let's go to our toolbar and select our ruler tool. Once you've selected the ruler tool, now drag along a straight path in your photo. Once you're done, go to the options bar and click on straighten layer. As you can see, our image is now straight. So you can go ahead and crop your image to your likings and you have your now image that's straight. The other option is to use the crop tool. So to use the crop tool, let's first to its original. Go to file, then revert image. So in our second option, so let's select our crop tool. As you can see, you get a dotted line across your image. Once you select the crop tool, with crop tool selected, go to the options bar and select straighten. Now drag along the straight path in your image. Once you are done, you release. As you can see, our image is straight. Once you like what you see, now click here to straighten your image. Just give it some time. Now that's our final image. As you can see, our image is straightened. So thanks you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.